Want to customize the product field of your CS card store to collect and display the detailed information about the products? Well, here we will show how to add extra fields on the products and how to customize the specific need of a store. Hi, I am Achal. Today we will be checking out the functionality of CS Card Product Custom Field extension. By using this extension, the admin can able to add multiple custom fields on the product page. The admin can also edit or delete the custom fields. The customers can able to view the custom fields on the product page in the shopping cart. Now let's jump into the demonstration part of this extension, and before proceeding ahead, I would request you to please do subscribe our channel and do hit the bell icon button to get more updates. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.wapcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, as you can see, I have successfully logged into the backend of CS Card, and here you can see this is our admin panel, and the very first option, the admin needs to navigate inside the add-on, as here we will be checking out the working and functionality of CS Card Product Custom Field. In order to move inside that plugin, we need to navigate inside the add-ons option, and here from here the admin can able to manage all the add-ons. As you can see, once you move inside the add-ons, then it will give you the entire list of your installed add-ons, and here you can see the Product Custom Field add-on. You need to click on it and it will redirect you inside the general configurations of that extension. As here you can see the very first option is general, from where you can able to check the information about this extension, that is the where to access this add-on. And the next option is of description. Here you can able to check what this particular extension will provide. Like here in the description, admin can add product custom field and also can manage these fields on the product page. And the next option is of information. From here the admin can able to check the complete information regarding that plugin. Now I will going to show you like from where the admin can able to manage and create the custom fields for the product page. For this, admin need to navigate inside the administration, and here admin will find an option of product custom field. By clicking on it, it will redirect inside the product custom field list, and here admin can able to check all the created product custom fields for the products. Now in order to create a new custom field, admin need to click on add product custom field option, and here it will redirect inside a new page where you will get few of the options. As here you need to provide the information, like I am creating a new product custom field, so I am filling out the information. As here I am creating a new field with having the name brand, and here I am selecting a code for the same, and here I am also assigning a class, and the next option is of type. From here the admin can able to select multiple types for that particular custom fields, as checkbox, date, time, text, email and phone. So here I am selecting the text, and the next option is of show on backend and show on front end. And if you want to make this custom field required, then you can check this mark, and as per your requirement you can fill out these boxes too. Now after completing this, you need to click on add, and you can see the new custom field is successfully created, and you can track the same into the entire list of created custom fields. Now from here the admin can also able to manage all the created custom fields. As you can see, the admin can able to also perform the actions on the custom fields, like admin can able to edit or delete these custom fields, and if admin want to disable any of the custom field, then he or she can do the same as well. So this way the admin can able to manage and create the product custom fields. Now I am taking inside the product from where the admin can apply a custom field on the particular product. So for that admin needs to navigate inside the products, and here admin need to navigate inside the product list. By clicking on it, it will give the entire list of all the products. As here I am going to add the custom fields on this particular product. So you need to click on that specific product, and here you need to scroll a little down and you will find an option of custom fields. As you can see, inside the product you will find the option of custom fields, and here you can mention, or you can also the fields which you have required mandatory, you need to fill out those custom fields as well. As here I have created the new one, that is brand, so I am filling out the information. Now after that I am clicking on save. Now you can see these changes is successfully changed in that particular product. Let me take you to the customer view, from where you can able to check like how these custom fields will going to appear on the front end. So you can see this is our front end, and here you can see all the listed products on the front end. And as a customer, I am going to click on this particular product, and here you can see as a customer you will find the additional fields on that particular product. As from the admin end we have created this brand custom field, and the brand we have also provided to this particular product, so it will reflect on the product page. So this way the admin can able to manage their products. Admin can provide the more details about their products on the product page, and the customer can able to check or fetch the custom fields on the product page in the shopping cart as well. So that's all about the CS cart product custom field extension. If still you are having any kind of concern or queries, you can reach us at support@webcool.com, or you can also raise a ticket from webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.